So this is the apple brown sugar, which discolors, as you can see from when it was poured to the top. The inside, it's still that brown, but it will darken up like the outside. I did add titanium dioxide to this in hopes that it wouldn't get dark brown. So we'll see. The brown will probably seep into the sprinkles. And those will get a little discolored, but otherwise, I'm trying to work with a brown fragrance that goes brown. And yeah, the sprinkles are interesting inside. Normally I don't get so many that go horizontal so that I get the round cuts. I normally have more cuts like this. I'm kind of surprised at the moment. For all those sprinkles I put in, sure doesn't feel like I have a lot, does it? There is like almost 10 ounces worth of sprinkles that I made and put in, and it cracks me up how many of them are actually cut straight through and not sideways. It smells really good. So you do the best you can with fragrances that discolor. And fall is probably one of my least favorite lines to design. I mean, I have fun, don't get me wrong, but it's the hardest to do because most of the fall scents, the ones that everyone wants, discolor brown to dark brown. Like, it's so hard to come up with designs when everything's gonna turn brown. I have to do some creative stuff to get around it. But it's just challenging. So yeah, it's just one of those, like I said, the fall line is always just makes me cringe just a little bit when I have to start and I start looking at the fragrances I'm gonna use and I see how much they all discolor and I'm like, oh. So, well, there you have it. Apple brown sugar. This again is going to get darker brown to match the top. It's probably even going to get a little darker than the outsides right now. So another soap down, a bunch more to go.